young planners, although they bring innovative ideas, but also they bring concrete proposals that the local politicians can open their eyes from the young planners. Welcome to Siena， 欢迎来到西耶纳。
Mogesamabit, olamazes kalak Siena. Welcome to Siena. Here we are hosting the Young Professionals Workshop in Siena. We are here with 16 brilliant minds, very bold ones. They're proposing various and innovative ideas for Siena. But we are here also together to make sure that the heritage protection measures are taken into account and we don't jeopardize this wonderful medieval, authentic and integral heritage that there is.
Buongiorno da Siena, and the young professional planners had a deep dive into the cultural attitudes of Siena, which involved the contrade, so the districts and the people representing parts of the districts and the connection to the palio, the big horse race. This opened up a lot of chances and a lot of deep dives into the cultural attitudes which the young professional planners integrated in their projects. The projects have an outcome which relates to the culture but thinks the culture further in the future. So therefore we are looking forward to creating a Siena which is rooted in the past, culturally aware and future-proof.
So I think this group is very homogeneous. They have connected very quickly, not only to each other but also to the location and to the realities of Siena, and we are looking forward very much to an excellent proposal in general and for the future of Siena, and obviously one more jewel in our list of YPP projects.